Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is considered the best shoes from Under Armour for women, the Charged Assert 9 running shoe. Whether you're a runner looking for performance or someone who values comfort and durability in everyday wear, these shoes are designed to meet your needs. The Under Armour Women's Charged Assert 9 is a remarkable blend of lightweight design and supportive features. The upper part of the shoe features a breathable mesh with a vibrant three-color digital print, allowing for excellent airflow to keep your feet cool during long runs or workouts. This mesh is paired with durable leather overlays that not only enhance the shoe's aesthetic but also provide crucial stability by locking in the midfoot. Comfort is a priority with these shoes, and it shows in the Eva sockliner, which offers a soft, cushioned step-in feel. The heart of the shoe's cushioning system is the charged cushioning midsole. This midsole uses compression-molded foam, engineered to deliver responsive energy return and outstanding durability. This means every stride feels cushioned yet springy, making it easier to cover more ground with less fatigue. Durability extends to the outsole as well, where solid rubber covers high-impact zones. This design choice not only enhances traction but also reduces the overall weight of the shoe, ensuring you don't feel weighed down even during longer runs. The outsole's design balances durability with agility, supporting quick changes in pace and direction. The fit of the Charged Assert 9 is described as regular, so it's snug without being too tight. However, if you are between sizes or prefer a bit more room, sizing up is recommended. The shoes feature a standard lace-up closure for a secure, adjustable fit. Weighing in at just over 8 ounces, these shoes are lightweight enough for road running but sturdy enough for daily wear. The offset, or heel-to-toe drop, is 10 mm, providing a neutral platform that caters to runners who seek a balance between cushioning and flexibility. In summary, the Under Armour Women's Charged Assert 9 running shoe offers a fantastic combination of breathability, comfort, stability, and durability. It is an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their running experience or simply find a reliable, stylish shoe for an active lifestyle. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want a shoe that keeps you moving faster and feeling comfortable, the Charged Assert 9 is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.